Lero ni gababwatani KORUSIA kiombe gia Gusii Youth bunge Sacco batware gikaro kiabo kyo mweri bw'omwaka eri kurigereria egatiye merobilio banyale ko baba gwikirania kemagendero okwana ime omochi obosongo nigo basabira abajumbe kubakonya asoko baruselio OMOSWADA bwe bill ose OMOSWADA bwe Sacco eyoko banacha ebango yebirengo bya 15 igoro yemya nabo ige serikali ye county ya Gusii eyo babekirane chibesa chiribu 50 iri gutwara business permit nabo igo gusaba babe bakokiranirwa na korwa chibesa korengana no konyora kwabo.
We have managed to successfully conduct our elections. We have rearranged our CMC after the elections from the grassroots. We elected delegates, chief delegates, and today we elected a new CMC meeting and a new board for Gusii Youth Bunge Sacco. We want to grow our membership. Currently we have 7,995 members. We want by the end of the year 2026 to move our membership to 8,900. Also, this year we've managed to get new partners that are working with Youth Bunge Sacco. We have the NAF CDP project funded by World Bank, and in this project we are able now to reach out to local farmers who are carrying out indigenous vegetable farming, coffee, dairy, and banana farming. As a Sacco who are targeting the youth, we are constantly advising and educating them as they want to advance in their careers, as they want to get into the job market and seek for jobs. Let them engage in business. So one of the challenges we have is the one that I've mentioned. Number two, the youth are complaining that they don't have startup capital. So in most cases we target the already existing businesses, and we now want to thank the NAF CDB that is targeting the upcoming farmers, and we request that Parliament and all the stakeholders to rethink this bill and probably come up with a different guideline. Not only the Sacco bill, we have also the county finance bill. This county finance bill targets or has outlined that all Saccos with a revenue of less than 500 million should pay a business permit of 50,000. And there is a Sacco that has got a revenue of up to 20,000, a revenue of 50,000. So I think 50,000 as single business permit, I think it is very high. We want to request also the county government to reconsider their position and come up with a rate, not a specific value as 50,000.